Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buck Ning, and today we're going to give you, I think it's week 9, update on our dividend portfolio. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 into the portfolio every single week to increase our position or create a new position in the stock market by buying company stocks that pay dividends, because we build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. If you're not new, welcome back. And so we're just going to give you guys the update of week 9, end of week 9. So we'll do a quick summary of the account, and we'll update our trackyourdividends.com. I know they had a website refresh, but we'll just get right into it. And so currently for the week, we are down. Oh, sorry. I guess I should talk about the position we bought today, which was Manulife Financial Corporation. We purchased a few more shares today. As you can see here, we bought 5 shares in the morning here at $19.02. And so that brings our total amount of shares at 12 shares. But anyways, so we'll go for, and then we'll go back into that, but we'll just give you for the week. So the portfolio itself, sorry. So currently portfolio value closes on Friday at $1,000 and $45.19. We finally hit the 1K mark and broke that, which is very, very awesome. Currently today we are down $5.62, down 0.53%. For the week we are up a whopping $30.46, up 3%. For the month we are up $4.29, up 0.41%. For the past 3 months, we are up $25.19, up $2.47. For the year, same thing, and for all, same thing. So we'll just go into the portfolio here. BMO today closed out at $81.38. We own 5 shares of BMO. Total value of $406.90. Average price that we purchased this position at is $81.32. And it holds about 39.57% of the portfolio. Today's return, we are at a loss of $3.55, down 0.86%, and our total return since owning the position is 30 cents, up 0.07%. Next stock that we have in the portfolio is Bank of Nova Scotia, closing out on Friday at $56.51. 7 shares of Bank of Nova Scotia, total value of $395.57. Our average cost on this is $54.58. It holds 38.46 of the portfolio. Today's return, we are down 84 cents, down 0.21%, and our total return since owning this position is $13.52. We are up $3.54 from capital appreciation. The next stock that we have here is Manulife Financial Corporation, which we have increased our position in. We have 12 shares of Manulife Financial. Total value coming in at $225.96. The average price that we are purchasing this position at is $18.41. And it holds 21.97% of the portfolio. Today's return, we are down $1.23 at 0.54%. But our total return from owning this position is $5.07, and that is up 2.3%. And so that is the portfolio itself. We have $16.76 in the cash for trade. So next week we'll put in another $100, because this is the channel where we put in $100 a week into the portfolio. And then on the Friday, which is today, we buy a position. And next week we will be still increasing our position in Manulife Financial Corporation, and the week after that I do believe we will be purchasing something else. Let me check here the dates. Yes, so next week we will increase our position one more time for the month of November in Manulife, and then we will switch over to Loblaws because the cutoff date, the ex-dividend date for Manulife falls on the 19th, I believe, and so we will just switch and go into Loblaws for the rest of the month for the stock pick of November. So we will go to trackyourdividends.com here, and we will update the portfolio. So from last week, I think it was week 8, this is not it. I was looking at future value, my bad. So as you can see here, there's a change in the portfolio, or not the portfolio, in the site itself. They did a facelift on the site. So our portfolio value comes in at $935 from stock value. We are up $21. Dividend yield closing today, if you were to build this portfolio as is 6.37% dividend yield. Our yield on cost in this portfolio is 6.51%, and our annual income is $60. So nothing's really changed here. BMO, we own 5 shares. Price of $81.38 is what it closed at today. Our average cost is $81.32. We are at a profit of like 6 cents, so 0. Dividend yield sits at 6.51%. Our yield on cost is 6.52%. Annual income coming in from BMO is $26.50. Bank of Nova Scotia, 7 shares. $56.51 is what it closed out at today. Our average cost is $54.58. We are up $14 on Bank of Nova Scotia. Dividend yield as of today is 6.37%. Our yield in this portfolio is 6.6%, and the annual income is $25.20. Next one is Manulife Financial Corporation. Again, 7 shares. Price closing at today was $18.83. Our average cost was $17.97. We were up $6. Dividend yield of 5.95% as of last week, or today, sorry. And our yield on cost currently from last week is 6.23%. Annual income of $784. So we're going to add a new holding to this one because we have to update everything that we do. And the ticker symbol is MF. Oh, let me change something over. Let me just press this. Boom. I got a cool new gadget, which I can use one keyboard for both my computers. MFC.TO should pre-populate here. Should, but it's not. That's weird. Okay. Ticker is MFC.TO. Did that work? Anyways. Okay. Default portfolio, that's new. We were able to purchase 5 shares of that today at a cost basis of $19.02, was it? I'll just double check here. Yeah, at $19.02. $19.02. And we'll add that to the portfolio. Boom, successfully added. Usually it pre-populates, but it didn't today. Very strange. So, new portfolio value sitting at $1,029. We are up 19 cents. Dividend yield closing today is 6.33%. Our yield on the portfolio is 6.45%, and we have increased our annual income by $5. Fantastic. So, Manulife, ticker symbol MFC.TO. Shares updated to 12 because we bought 5 today. Price closed at $18.83. Our average cost is $18.41. Currently, we have a profit gain of capital appreciation of about $5. Dividend yield closed out at today at 5.95%, and our yield on the portfolio is 6.08%. Our annual income from Manulife is $13.44. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I'm very happy with that. And so just to really, I guess what we should talk about is nothing really. It's week 9 of an update. I'm just super happy that this portfolio from consistency has broke the 1K or $1,000 mark, and we'll be receiving a dividend at the end of this month as well from BMO. I don't think it'll be too high. I think it'll be about $5.30 from the shares of BMO. And then I think next one we'll get the Manulife for December, and then come January we'll hit reset, and that's when we'll really start seeing dividend growth, because you'll actually see that the dividend payment for BMO is much smaller because we own a smaller position in BMO compared to Bank of Nova Scotia, which we had a dividend last month of $6.30, which is awesome. But this is where the ball starts rolling. This is where we start gaining a lot of traction, because you start seeing a list of dividends coming in and increasing month after month after month, as long as you're investing in this strategy and being consistent. I think consistency is the biggest key when it comes to dividend investing, and that's the strategy that we're putting in place in this dividend portfolio itself. And so if you've been with me this whole time through this whole journey, thank you. I appreciate it a ton. And remember, this is all my opinion. So if you decide to build this portfolio or you decide to purchase the stocks here, please do your own research and make the decision, own the decision, because this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm definitely not your financial advisor. And so please do your research, do your due diligence, and also like, what else is there to say other than I think last time I checked the channel, it has 99 subscribers. We're kissing 100, which is a big milestone for me, but a big milestone for the channel. So if you don't mind leaving a like, subscribing, maybe even commenting if you've watched this journey from the beginning, it'd be greatly appreciated. Definitely would help the channel grow and get out to those that are maybe thinking about investing but don't know where to start. I think this is a great place to start. I'm sure a lot of you guys have learned a lot of things, but also learn things on your own when it comes to investing, not just dividend investing, but maybe you're wanting to get into futures, options trading, or you want to go into value trading, value growth stocks. I'm sure you've learned a lot because you get curious and you just want to feed your brain. So I appreciate you all. Thank you for the support, continued support. And let's break that 100 subscriber mark and let's grow this community to a large kick butt community of dividend investors and just show the world that we got this put together, baby. And so hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, and we'll definitely see you in the next one on Tuesday when we deposit $100 and invest it on Friday to increase the position. But other than that, guys, have a great weekend and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.